what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. So guys, as you can see, I'm trying out something different, but don't expect this all the time, okay? Because sometimes no wig no on this your head, yeah. And your girl is a hot mess, you know that. All right guys, so I usually just get straight into the video, but sometimes maybe you want to see my pretty face. Anyhow guys, a Jamaican style, Jamaican vibes. As you know, my channel is a variety of things and people like when we cook. I'm not a chef, but I just do my home cooked meal and I share it with you, or if you request something. All right, so well overdue, your girl is gonna make some Jamaican Rasta pasta. Alright, so please remember to leave me a little bit of like, and subscribe for other amazing content coming your way. I have 3 pieces of chicken breast. At first I was gonna debone it, but then I'm gonna leave the bone so I can cut it in little strips after. Alright, or you can leave it like that. So once you cut it, the season can go down in it. Okay, and I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Not much, okay guys? If you want more, you can make more. One day I might make a video of this for you. All right, a little bit of cayenne pepper, just a smidge, maybe less than 1/4 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon. A little bit of black pepper, another 1/4 teaspoon because it's not much. A little bit of garlic powder, maybe 1/2 teaspoon. Another 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and we're gonna go in with about 2 teaspoons of paprika because I like the color. 1, 2. I have my blended season here. I will leave a link, and I'm gonna add like a teaspoon. And this is my jerk sauce. All right, and I'm gonna add like 2 teaspoons. If you don't want it too spicy, just add 1. All right, and this is my ginger and garlic paste. I'm gonna go in like with another teaspoon. That will do. And I'm gonna go in with like a tablespoon of soy sauce. And then this is my extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add a tablespoon, just like that, just like that, and that's it. I'm just gonna mix this together. And this will be my jerk marinade for my my chicken breast. All right, you don't have to use all of this, guys. You can put up some of this for next time. Okay, you want to take some, you want to stuff it. Look at that, guys. Just put it in here, and you don't want to overdo it. Alright guys, I'm not going to put any more on it. See, I have a lot left. You can use it at a different time. If you want to leave it for overnight, then that's good too. But 2 to 4 hours, this is good because it's chicken breast. We're going to add a little bit of my extra virgin olive oil, about a teaspoon, just to grease the bottom. Look at that, guys. Well seasoned. We're going to set it like that. And it's 3 pieces, so we're gonna put one upside down. We're gonna put this part right here, so I think it will hold. All right, now I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna baste it. This is my jerk chicken. Oh my god, this is about 45 minutes in. It's cooked. Oh my goodness. All right guys, you can go ahead and serve it just like this, but the oven is still on. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is it right here, guys. And this is my rib and chicken, like a barbecue sauce. I'm just gonna add a little bit of glaze to it. All right guys, now we're gonna give this a little mix. We're gonna brush it on. Look at that. We're gonna add more flavor. Woo, more taste. Gonna taste amazing. I'm gonna pop this back in for 15 minutes and it should be good. And I didn't cover it, guys, but you can cover it if you want. Now I have a pot with some water, and I'm gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon salt, something like so, and I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of olive oil. I'm gonna let this come to a boil, and then I'm gonna add my pasta. And this is the pasta I'll be using. All right, and it has a little bit of rigid on it like that. You can use any one of your choice. I'm gonna add about 3.5 cups or so. So you want to give this a little stir. Pasta usually takes about 12 to 13 minutes to be like perfectly cooked. You can go up to 15 minutes if you want, but cook it to your liking. All right, but you don't want to cook it too soft, because remember we're gonna like put it in the sauce. Okay, and I have some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons will do, something like that. You don't want to overdo it, but you just want enough oil. All right, and over here guys, I have vegetable of all sort. All right, I have some thyme, just leave like the leafy part. I have 1 cup of chopped it's frozen guys, scallion, 2 onions, and I cut them big. And basically once you start to fry them, just gonna shell out or open up. I have pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and bell peppers of all colors. I have some chopped garlic, and I'm gonna use 2 Maggi stalks. This is some ground pimento. This is Jamaican allspice. And I have my garlic and ginger paste, and I have some black pepper, and I have half can of coconut milk. Some Rasta however eat meat and stuff, but most Rasta no eat cheese and milk and them stuff. So we're gonna do it the real way, and we're gonna saute up all of this to get out the flavor. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna go in with my garlic. It pot not hot yet guys, lord, make it oil hot. So put the onion while we wait on the pot to hot. Don't follow me guys, make the pot hot. Okay, my goodness guys, I think it's hot now. And I'm gonna put my green onion or scallion. Jamaican people say scallion. All right, scallion and thyme. All right, and we're gonna put the thyme in the same time. All right, we're gonna get the flavor out of it. So we saute this a little bit, and can you see it? Once you start fry it up, then I'm gonna separate themselves. The bell peppers, look at that color. Ooh. Am I a chef or what? No, I'm not. Just joking. And guys, this is the Rasta color right here. All of this are Rasta color. Them call it red, green, and gold. And you can put some black in there. So basically guys, we're gonna make the sauce, and then we're gonna add the pasta to it. All right guys, look at this goodness. So this is how you want it right now. All right, over here guys, I have my blended seasoning, and I'm gonna put like a tablespoon. This is just good marinade here guys. And my jerk seasoning, this is optional. I'm gonna put a little bit for spice. Give this a little mix. A little bit left out of my ginger and garlic paste, and I'm gonna put about a teaspoon, just to get like the ginger flavor in it guys. A little bit, not too much. Now we're gonna saute this up. Can you see the flavor now guys? Can you see that? I'm gonna go in with the half can of coconut milk or coconut cream. This is the consistency you want right about now. You want to make the coconut milk cook for a few minutes. All right, now we're gonna add the rest of stuff. All right, we're gonna take up our scotch bonnet pepper. Be careful guys, wash your hand after. All right, this is my Jamaican allspice. It's pimento, so I ground it. I will leave a link for that, just a smidge of that. This is my 2 Maggi cubes. We're gonna sprinkle that in, so that's gonna add the extra salt and stuff guys. I'm gonna go in with a little black pepper, about half teaspoon. Give this a little mix. I have like a tablespoon of flour, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water, and you want to mix this out. All right, you can use cornstarch. Okay guys, oopsie. I'm gonna go in with about a teaspoon of my Worcestershire sauce. Gonna add a little bit of flavor, and I'm gonna put another about a tablespoon of soy sauce. There. Now thicken it up by adding the flour. You can add cornstarch and give it a little mix because you don't want it to clump up. All right, I'm gonna let the flour cook for about 2 minutes. You want to turn down the stove now on medium to low. All right, let the flour cook, and then we're gonna add the pasta. All right guys, I'm back, and that's it. You don't want it to burn. This is good right here. Right here guys, it's good. All right, look at that goodness. All right, so over here I have my pasta already drained. Remember, don't leave it in the water. All right, so we're gonna just pour it in all at once, and then, oh my goodness, just give this a little stir. All right guys, when you finish with the chicken, you can cut it up in pieces and you can add it to this just like that. All right, or you can serve it at the side, or you can serve it with some salmon or fried chicken, whatever you want guys. It's still creamy, and you don't have to put any milk in there. You can put milk too guys if you want, your choice, or heavy cream. Top it off with some parsley flakes, this one, and that should do it guys. We're gonna serve up some in just a minute, and that's my style of my Rasta pasta guys, with lots of jerk, spicy. All right, we're gonna plate up some over here. Oh my goodness. The cameraman mouth run water guys. I want to set it like something like so onto the side. And guys, if you don't eat meat, just put a cut of salmon. I was gonna do salmon, but next time you can put a cut of salmon, or you can just cut this up and mix it up in here. You can do it either way. All right guys, this is it. Love upon me, and I love upon you. You have a good day now guys. This is just a bonus video. All right, so this is it. This is my husband's dish. I told him to come and taste it. He said no way. So fully cooked. And it gives that little sweet taste too guys. Oh. I'm gonna eat it all off. Oh my goodness. So good. Bye guys.